I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master. Go to quantrixauthority.com to learn more.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. I sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 328, where I'm going to demonstrate the ease and scale of Quantrix Modeler. This is on par with episode number 14, I believe, called Quantrix Giggles. I had the Quantrix Giggles just the other day, and I want to show you why I had the Quantrix Giggles. It's because Quantrix's ability to ease and scale is just awesome. And when I made this magic happen the other day, I thought this is still the coolest tool ever. And I wanted to share my joy and excitement with you. I have here a model that has a rolling quarter or a rolling monthly forecast. It actually has a couple trailing months here that the user defines as a parameter, and then it's got some months out here that are its forecast. And it goes out and looks at various parts of the model and pulls in the trailing and then the forecast information. And what I've done is I've also wanted to create kind of a summary of what the total is across all of the months that I display, as well as what is the total across just the forecasted months that are displayed here. So what I did is I went ahead and I created another matrix that goes ahead and does that. It gives me my rolling total, that's the total across all of those months displayed, and then my forecast, it goes to just those months that are listed as forecast, and it totals them up here. So I also have a view that is really similar to this, except for it's by department. Okay, we have certain departments here at my day job, and I have also this rolling view by department. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create, again, another forecast. I wanted to create another matrix that was by department that took into account these time periods of just the total and the forecast. So how did I do that? I actually went out to Quantrix and to the model browser, of course, and I simply copied rolling total. So if I go ahead and I copy that right here, and I paste it, it now shows up over here. And then what happened is I simply dragged my department over here, and I could drag it down here so you can really see some magic. And all my values are actually calculated here, but then all I have to do is go out here and fix two formulas and say this is rolling by department. If I do that, and I do the same here, get rid of my double colons, it goes ahead and calculates very beautifully this rolling by departments, its total, just as I have this rolling total here. And I was able to do it very quickly simply by copying and pasting and changing two formulas. Quantrix does it beautifully for me, and it does it by department because, again, my departments are linked between these two matrices. It just makes my day how easy this tool can be when you design your structure correctly and you link your categories and have things going for you. I absolutely love this tool. I think it is fantastic, and it's still, after, I've been using Quantrix since 2006, so even after 15 years of use, I still get the Quantrix giggles, and it still, gives me a little twinkle in my eye for it because of its capabilities and its ease of use. If you have any questions about Quantrix, of course, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I really want to make you a Quantrix master, so I hope that you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.
Today's podcast is brought to you by quantrixauthority.com. I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master.